Good day, my name is Tabero, and today I'll be showing you how to update the sample before you send it to client, and how to update the online vouching spreadsheet once you've finalized the sample. So this job card is the Trust Creditors LPC audit. This is where Rachi select the sample. So when you get this job, you'll find an attachment here with the sample. This job is for Maselesere. It says Maselesere LPC Trust Audit Sample Selection. That's the spreadsheet that you're going to download. I've already downloaded that spreadsheet. And then you are going to go to Knowledge Base and download the sample template, which I have also downloaded already. This is the template that we are going to work on. So this is the sample. You are going to put your cursor there or between 1 and A at the corner there, and then you are going to copy. Once you have copied, you are going to go to the template where it says paste. On the sheet that says paste, you are going to put your cursor on 1A, and then you are going to paste. Once you have pasted, then this sample will then reflect under the sheet called audit sample. Okay, it's downloading. It will reflect under the sheet called audit sample. This is where we are going to do the formatting. So what you are going to do, you are going to now format and sort these transactions. So to sort, you are going to go under data there on top where there's home, insert, page layout, formulas. Then you're going to go under data, and then while you are here, you're going to click here where it says sort, and then you are going to sort this. The first one you are going to sort by target account name, and then you are going to you are going to sort the second one, which should be the last one. To add, you are going to click there where it says add level, and then you are going to sort this by date. Once you are done, you are going to say okay, and then you've sorted that. Then you are going to scroll up to the first one. You'll see that we've got empty rows. You are going to start from the first empty row, which is row 6. You click there, and then you highlight going down till the last empty row, which is row 36. Then you are going to right click and delete. So we've deleted the empty rows. We are now left with the rows that's got data. Then you are going to now copy this to our online spreadsheets. Before you even print and save, we are just going to copy and then paste online. Then we'll come back here and print and save this in Excel, then print in PDF the file that we're going to send to the client. So to copy this, you are going to copy from column A on the first row that's got data. You are not going to copy the whole spreadsheet. You are not going to copy the headings. You are just going to start copying from row 6, which is the first transaction. You are going to copy. You are going to highlight till column H, which is CFA/FA. You are going to then scroll down till the last sample transaction, and then copy. Once you've copied, then you'll go online. This is our online spreadsheets. You'll go to the sheet that says sample, and then you will paste. You are going to paste here the first row that we need to work on. It's row 4. So you are going to paste there. You are going to paste as its values, Control-Shift-V. Once you have pasted, you are going to update the client name. The client name is there on top. There is Maselesere L Atenis. Okay, you're going to type this Maselesere L Atenis. Then you're going to update the year end. So the year end is 2026-02, but when you update here, you are going to start by updating FY for financial year 2026-02, and then you put also the last day of the month, which is 28. So we are done updating the online spreadsheet. Then you can close this. We are not going to come back here. You are going to close this, and then you will go back to the template. You can also close this one. Okay. Yeah, you can also close this one, the sample selection. We are not going to come back here. We've copied and pasted on our template. We are going to be working on this file only. So you are going to then save this. We are going to save this as Maseresere audit sample, which is in Excel, before we print to PDF. We'll save here. We are going to update there where it says Molakudu. We're going to put Maseresere L, and then trust audit sample. We'll just put the spaces there. Then remove template one and put 2026-02. Then we have the sample in Excel, which we are going to attach on the job card. Now we need to have the sample in PDF, which is the one that we are going to attach on the job, and also the one that we send to the client. So we are going to print this. When you print, you are going to highlight from, you just highlight everything here, but not the empty rows. So we're highlighting from column A to I, everything on where there's data. So you start from the bottom and highlight there from the last transaction till the first row, which is the name of the client. Then once you've highlighted, you are going to click there on top where it says file, and then go to print, and then you are going to print this in Excel. Now when you come here, it's going to be under no scaling. This one, I was just using it just now. It's going to be under no scaling, which will mean that this PDF is going to have, this document is going to have 2 pages. You can see it says 1 of 2. So it means the other columns are under the second page, but we want this to be on 1 page so that it's easy to work on. The transactions details are on the same page with the transactions amounts. So you are going to change it and say fit sheet on 1 page so that we have everything on 1 page. And then here you'll always select print selection, which is the transactions that we have selected there, and not print even the rows that are empty. Once you have done this, you are going to now print. And then once printed, you are going to rename this as All Trust Audit Sample 2026-02. Once you are done, you are going to come here on the job card and attach those 2 files, which are the samples in PDF and Excel. These 2. We're going to attach them on the job. Once you have attached, then you are going to proceed to send the sample to the client. This is Trust Audit Sample, so we use template 303T. You click on the template and then attach the sample that we saved in PDF. Once attached, you are going to send. Then you are going to update the staff quick comment. To I have sent info request to client. And then this should untag you. Okay, you're still tagged, so you'll untag yourself. Here Rachi is tagged for something else, so you'll untag yourself, and then that's all on how to update, to finalize the sample, and also to update the online spreadsheet. Thank you. Bye.